Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a beautiful 1964 Chevrolet Malibu. This is a true super sport car. Really cool car, guys. I actually sold this car I think it was almost 25 years ago. My dad and I actually are the ones that we actually originally bought this car to North Carolina. I believe it's always been a North Carolina car. Brought it up here and actually sold it to some folks from North Carolina. It's been there ever since. Matter of fact, those folks have actually passed away. And then the gentleman that I bought it from, I believe he was related, and he actually bought it out of the estate. And he's had the car ever since. But very nice car, good, solid, straight body. Guys, this paint has been on this car. This car was actually restored in 2000, or late 90s, 2000. And the paint looks great. The only one thing I am gonna do, and if you're a car guy, you'll understand this, there's like, little minor scratches and swirl marks in it. I am gonna have Marlon from OMG come down, and as a matter of fact, he's gonna probably end up coming do it tomorrow or Friday. Do a paint correction and ceramic coat on it. That's really all the car needs. It'll really slick it up. But 46,000 original miles on the car. I believe most of the interior is still original. The drivetrain's original. It's got the matching numbers 283 transmission in it. 283 engine and powerglide transmission in it. Again, the car was painted late 90s, early 2000s. That's when the car was restored, and look how nice it is. So what you see is what you get. Other than a few touch-up marks, and there's a couple little blemishes, the car is clean and straight. This stuff's original. Again, I believe the car was always in North Carolina. I mean, just a pretty car. There's a couple, let's see, there's a couple little touch-up marks, few little things. But man, that's just nitpicking the car, because this car is nice. Factory padded dash. It's got they changed the front windshield, but the rest of the glass is all the factory soft ray glass. Again, little blemish there. And there's a little one right there. And other than that, there's a couple little touch-up marks on the car, man. Car is really nice. I love the dual antenna. Again, matching numbers, 283 engine, original powerglide transmission. It's also got the factory 10-bolt rear axle. Factory air car too, guys. So there's not a big gear in the back. Again, this stuff's original to the car. Look how nice it is. Car's definitely been well maintained. Straight down the sides. It's got ZR rated rubber all the way around it. Sorry, that's just from coming in on the snow, guys. 17-inch American Racing torque thrust wheels on it. We've got a ton of service records for the car. Again, the car's just been very well maintained. Yeah, it's just a good car. Again, true Malibu SS, not a clone. Factory power drum brakes, power steering and power drum brakes, just the way it would have came. Again, 283. Now they painted the intake to look aluminum. It's not. It's just a factory cast intake. Power steering, power brakes. Again, factory air cleaner valve. It's got the script valve covers on it. Factory air. Air does work. We're going to need to charge it. It blows. He said it blows cool, but we'll definitely get it charged. It's just going to need a little charge to it, but it definitely works. It all kicked on. Like I say, pretty much bone stock. No big cam or anything like that in it. clean underneath. And you see the pictures of the bottom of the car, very clean. Love the color. Daytona blue. This stuff is original. Look how nice it is. Dual chrome mirrors. I don't know, those look replaced to me. Look at the interior. Now, most of the interior is original. Those kick panels, of course, have got the speakers in them. The originals are in the trunk. Original owner's manuals in the glove box. They left the stock AM radio in the dash, but they put an aftermarket sound system, which is in the glove box. Got the factory deluxe seat belts in it. Headliner looks great. Factory bucket seats, center console, sport wheel, factory tach gauges. I don't know if you're going to see it, but it's 46707 on your odometer. Factory padded dash. It's also got the original dash mounted clock. He said that's unhooked. So that's everything else in there gauge wise he said worked, but they've unhooked the clock. Dual exhaust. Again, 10-bolt rear axle, no big gear. Very clean in here. Factory, it's got the Goodyear polyglass spare in here with a factory jack. Again, some parts, and those are the original kick pads. This is all the service stuff over the years on the car. Again, it's got a complete aftermarket sound system in it. Clean underneath. No, we're inside, so it's hard to see, but I always post photos of the undersides of the cars. I think this interior is original. Heck, I think the carpet's original. Again, there's an aftermarket. Well, if I can't do it one-handed, you'll have to pop it, Nathan. Gauges are nice and clean. If you just pop that down, Nathan, that's where the sound system is. Yeah, little glove box light that works. Just a good car. Runs and drives, like I say, just as sweet as can be. That is a good looking car. Yeah, all kicks on. Factory, I don't know if you can see the factory clock or dash or in-dash tap works. Everything opens and closes nice. Backup lights work. Really good car. Radio works. Again, blower motor works in there. You see the dash lights all work. There's a functional. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Have a great day, guys.